Please subscribe and press the like button and bell icon. You can share this YouTube video with your friends. Thanks for watching. Hello, welcome back. Lesson 5. Who are you? What will you learn? To say who are you in Arabic, separated pronouns, interrogative particle, the usage of who, question. English always use the pronoun you to refer to both male and female gender. How do you use the pronouns in Arabic? Lesson 5. Who are you? سهيلة. من أنت؟ من أنت؟ من who؟ أنت you. من أنت؟ من أنت؟ حسن. أنا طالب. أنا طالب. أنا I am. طالب student. أنا طالب. أنا طالب. حسن. من أنت؟ من أنت؟ من who؟ أنت are you؟ من أنت؟ من أنت؟ يوسف. أنا مدرس. أنا مدرس. أنا I am. مدرس a teacher. أنا مدرس. Let's repeat again. من أنت؟ من أنت؟ أنا طالب. أنا طالب. من أنت؟ من أنت؟ أنا مدرس. أنا مدرس. Now it's your turn. Just write the Arabic words. Usage of the phrase. The phrase أنت means you for female. Is inserted after saying man. Man. أنت is used to refer when speaking to a male person, whereas أنت, you for female, is used when referring to female person. Question. English always use the pronoun you to refer to both male and female gender. How do you use the pronouns in Arabic? Arabic has different sets of rules. You can't speak to male person using the female pronoun. Grammar tips. First tip. You need to use the right pronouns when speaking to male or female. أنت. أنت when speaking to male person. أنت. أنت when speaking to female person. Second tip. من. من is an interrogative particle. Thus, it can be used for both male and female gender forms. Example. من أنت. من أنت. Who are you for female. من أنت. من أنت. Who are you for female. You may reply أنا John. I am John. أنا John. أنا Emily. I am Emily. أنا Emily. Third tip. أنا. أنا. أنا refers to the first speaker. You may say your job after the pronoun أنا. Example. أنا طالب. I am a student. أنا طالب. أنا مدرس. I am a teacher. أنا مدرس. Example for female. أنا طالبة. So you need to insert a here, a suffix. أنا طالبة. I am a student. أنا مدرسة. I am a teacher. أنا مدرسة. If you want to change masculine to feminine, just insert a suffix "a" at the end of the word. Take a look. This is the male masculine. There's no "a." Mudarris, there's no "a." But once you change it to female form, you need to put the "a" here. Mudarrisa, talibah, mudarrisa. Street talk with Arab locals. When contacting by phone or knocking on a neighbor's door, you will hear this. Min. In classical Arabic, they will say man, but most people, you say this min who? Min hunak. Min hunak. List of people. Go to Translate Google and just key in the English words, and once you find the Arabic words, just write this down. Tajir, tajir, businessman. Musafir, musafir, traveler. Muhami, muhami, lawyer. Tabib, tabib, doctor. Mumarridah, mumarridah, nurse. Muwazzaf, muwazzaf, clerk. Katib, writer. Mudir, mudir, manager. Mustashar, mustashar, consultant. Muhandis, engineer. Muhandis, engineer. Let's repeat. Tajir, musafir, محامي, طبيب, ممرض, موظف, كاتب, مدير, مستشار, مهندس. Research. Practice using the dialogue above. Change the pronouns. If you're stuck with a noun such as engineer, dentist, etc., go to Google Translate and do some research. It helps to enhance your vocabularies. Knowing the new words is not enough. You need to write the words and do a spelling test by yourself. Suhaila, man ants, man ants, ana talib. Just write down ana talib. Now try to change it to gender forms. Man anti, ana talibah, ana talibah. Translate. Write it in Arabic. Go to Translate Google. Just key in this in English and write the Arabic words.